Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are deep cleaning the bathroom. I actually did clean the entire bathtub, but I did not realize that the battery had died on the camera, so there is no footage of it. But here I'm just changing out the liner. I try to change it out maybe once every 2 months, and the liners I just get from Kmart. They're like $5, I think. But you'll see that the bottom of the shower curtain actually gets really nasty. My husband and son never close the curtains after they're done taking a shower, which definitely helps to keep the mold at bay. But they don't do that all the time, so I try to change this out as often as needed. And I always keep it back up on hand, so the corner is like nasty. Here I'm using the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner. To be honest with you, I don't like the smell of it at all. It kind of makes me nauseous. So I do try to use it like once every 2 weeks to just kind of get through it. But I will not be purchasing that again. So I changed the way that I clean the bathroom, and now I actually work from the inside out. I noticed that when I used to clean the bathroom, I would start at the sink and then kind of just go around, but I would end up dirtying stuff that was already cleaned. So by starting at the bathtub and then working my way out, everything that I clean stays clean. So the other day when I was in the Dollar Tree, I actually saw these e-cloths, with air quotes around them. They suck. They're very, there's strings all over the place. About once a month, I'll take the vacuum and just kind of get up on the higher parts of the walls and like the crown molding and stuff, because it does tend to get dusty up there. So after I'm done dusting and vacuuming and all that other stuff, then I just pulled out my handy dandy sniffer and went over the floor. There was like toothpaste stuck in the grout. I don't know how, but so that's what I was just doing. I was just trying to scrub that out. I do keep either Lysol wipes or Clorox wipes in the bathroom all the time, just for quick cleanups. I don't have little kids, so I don't have to worry about them getting into any sort of chemicals. And then I just changed the towels out and I was done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And until then, I will see you guys all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye guys.